Hello gamers, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install FIFA 2025 PSP on your Android device. Follow these simple steps and you'll be playing in no time. Step 1. First, download the FIFA 2025 PSP files, including the ISO, save data, and texture files. You'll also need to install PPSSPP emulator and Zakiver Pro from the links provided. Step 2. Once everything is downloaded, open Zakiver Pro to extract the FIFA 2025 ISO file. This video is sponsored by Toki, a decentralized blockchain platform with smart contract capabilities. Toki is the native cryptocurrency of the Toki blockchain. Starting February 28, 2025, Toki will be available for trading on Binance. And there's exciting news. The price of Toki on Binance may exceed $6. On the Toki platform, 10,000 Toki tokens can be exchanged for 1 USDT, which you can withdraw directly to your wallet. Here's how it works. First, register on the Toki website by entering your email, setting a login and security password, and clicking register. Once your account is ready, click dig from the menu to complete daily tasks, including a daily sign-in for 60 Toki. When you want to withdraw exchange Toki for USDT, click Toki and USDT, enter the amount and confirm. Then transfer your USDT to your broker wallet by entering your wallet address, the amount, and your security password. Want to boost your earnings? Invite your friends and earn referral rewards. Get 9% of top-ups from first-level referrals, 3% from second levels, and 1% from third levels. Plus, when you invite just 3 first-level users, you'll receive a bonus of 20,000 Toki. Don't miss out. Join Toki today and start mining and earning Toki. For more bonuses, check out their official Telegram channel. Sign up now. The link will be in the description and get ready to trade, mine, and grow with Toki. Thank you for listening. And now back to the video. Locate the downloaded file, tap on it, and select extract. Move the extracted ISO file to the PSP folder on your device. Step 3. Repeat the same process for the save data and texture files. Make sure to place the save data and the texture folders in the correct directories inside the PSP folder. Step 4. Now, open the PPSSPP emulator. Navigate to the PSP folder where you move the FIFA 2025 ISO. Tap on it to start the game. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy FIFA 2025 on PPSSPP with updated gameplay, improved graphics, and all the new features. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials.